südamet üle.
The Lord says, in the vase, in the vase is life.
Selles vaasis on elu, mis on ütleb.
And I see the Lord pouring out the tears of forgiveness.
Ja ma näen, et issand valab nagu andestuse pisarad välja.
I see like the Lord's tears, being poured out on some of your hearts.
Ma näen, nagu issanda pisarad valatakse mõnedele südamete peale välja.
And it's forgiveness for your heart.
Ja see on andestus sinu südamele.
Forgiveness is part of the cross.
Andestus on risti üks osa.
You remember what Jesus said while on the cross?
Mäletate, mis Jeesus ütles, kui ta risti peal?
He said, forgive them, Lord.
Ta ütles, andesta neile issand.
They know not what they do.
Nad ei tea, mis nad teevad.
So forgiveness is included in the gospel too.
Et andestus on ka siin seal evangeeliumis sisaldatud.
What does that mean?
Mis see tähendab?
That means there's supernatural power for you to forgive others.
Et sinus on üleloomulik vägi andestada teistele.
To not be ruled by the torment of bitterness.
Et mitte olla valitsetud selle kibeduse poolt.
The enemy makes some people prisoners of past traumas.
Mõned inimesed vangideks mineviku traumad. Jumal teeb seda täna.
So I want to tell you, Jesus is here and has healing and has freedom for everyone.
Lähen öelda, et siia, et Jeesus on siin ja tal on tervenemine ja kõige jaoks.
I want to pray for you.
Ma tahan inimestele paluda. Parema silmaga probleem.
It's more the right than the left.
See on rohkem paremas kui vasakus.
I've been getting this word a lot over the last few days.
Ma olen seda sõna palju saanud üle viimast päeva.
We just had someone in Finland actually healed of this.
Meil oli Soomes keegi tervenes sellest.
One eye, the right eye, was significantly worse than the other.
Parem silm oli siis palju halvem kui vasak.
And when I prayed for this young man,
ja kui ma palvetasin selle noore mehest,
he saw clearly with both of them.
Ja ta nägi siis selgeks mõlemad neist.
There's somebody in here that has your right eye is worse than the left.
Keegi on siin, kelle parem silm on halvem kui vasak.
I feel like it's a lady.
Ma tunnen, et see on naine.
And I feel like you also have problems with your reproductive organs.
Ma tunnen, et sul on enda...
Is that correct?